Hey, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to tackle coating the prop shaft, aandrijfas in Dutch. So as you can see here, I already cleaned it up as much as possible using a Scotch-Brite. So just do this a lot of times. Well, you can see there's still some dust coming off. So the next step will be to clean it off or clean it up with a wet cloth. Just to wipe it down completely. I got some detergent in there or degreaser, and that will hopefully give me a clean surface. In the third step, apply Owatrol, and that will give me a prop shaft which will last for a really long time and hopefully look a lot better than this rust pipe. So up to cleaning and then to applying the Owatrol. So now we got a nice shiny prop shaft, aandrijfas, remember aandrijfas. So if you were wondering how do I rotate it, well, it's very simple. Just block that wheel, put it on the jack or the hoist or crick, and then just rotate this wheel and then brush it down. And I'm actually quite satisfied with how it looks. So I will just finish up that and then it's a wrap. So yeah, quick little update video, yeah, to be continued. Stay safe out there. Actually, what I should say is stay safe in there. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like if you want to, subscribe if you like to, and see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Toodaloo.